Yeah, nigga. You know the dawn on was 16, and I do harm for this big cream, the whips and the carriage. Boy, like the Knicks and the Mavericks, slipping the fabrics. Pull up with some big shit, the tennis shit, hitting the habits. Spot a bitch with that Chris habit. Gotta have it, fuck shorty and send an OT with a brick in the baggage. Roll with the club jack.
So here's this giant enemy crab.
Every 11 minutes across the USA, a man is victim of cock blocking.
I had a hard time.
Tell me about it.
Today, I was trying a case before Judge Gervins, who is notorious for giving female attorneys a hard time. I make an objection. Then when I get to my final argument, the man says,
"Could you please keep it brief, Miss?"
boy, I'd like to jerk his...
That's bad, but it's not as bad as what happened to me today.
What happened?
Well, I went over to the hospital. I was in the elevator. Pregnant baby got on the elevator. Then the woman went into labor. I had to deliver the baby, and it wasn't even my baby.
So I had to run 5 miles.
Now, say yes, because I want to leave now. Why do we have to wait till tonight?
Yes.
And now who cuts into alchemist instruments?
That's what we're going.
Hi.
How you doing, son?
Hi.
How you doing, son?
What about dinner tonight?
Take a good look at us because we're going to the Poconos now.
Hi. What about dinner tonight?
Don't worry about it. I have some money here for you. Some money in there in case you have an emergency, of which I want a receipt when you get to the emergency room. All right?
Thanks, Dad.
All right. Hey.
All weekend.
Go ahead, ruin yourself. Let's go. Going out where nature is surrounding us.
Gonna stay in the cabin and...
Fuck!
Yo. Hey, what's up? I thought you ate dinner at home. Well, my parents went away for the weekend.
So you got stuck babysitting your little sisters?
No. Vanessa went to Janet's for the weekend, and Rudy's spending the weekend at my grandparents' house with Kenny.
You have the house to yourself for the weekend.
Yep.
Then I only have one thing to say.
Lovely suggestion.
I don't know, guys.
Theo, you're getting mired in semantics. What we're talking about should not be described as a party, but more like a colloquy, a gathering of friends to exchange ideas and cocks.
Wait a minute. How big a party are we talking?
Just the three of us and our cocks.
All right.
What's happening, homie? You're right. She calls me.
Kool G Rap.
Shio, this is so great. Go.
Here I am. What's happening? This is Rita, my main.
Yo, she loves it when I say that.
Hey, kitchen.
Well, I can get him out here.
And we're gonna tear you up. Well, oh yeah? The woman gonna stomp in your head.
Now, whoa. Now, this is not men against women. This is a friendly game of the fire of turbo versus the Lord William pissed off Puerto Rican. Oh, that was not luck. That was shit.
You know he's right. And don't forget that you have a very lovely guest that wants to enjoy your party with you.
Oh, yeah. I forgot. So, you enjoying the party?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, Theo!
What's your Colgate toothpaste? The one with tartar control. And it made me feel like a piece of shit!
Someone picked the lock.
I'm really sorry about all of this. I don't understand some people. You know? You've got beautiful eyes. Please don't leave. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Hey, shit, didn't even get my jacket.
No. Drive.
Hello? That's my radio.
Pocono.
Just killed
A woman and smoked.
Theo has had come.
While you were gone, we had a party.
Well, we just
Now, you better put that back on the list, Howard.
What is the list?
This is a list of things we couldn't repair. Originally, it was intended to be a party for 6 people, but due to circumstances beyond our control, the party swelled to approximately
9,000!
What? Now, I know he has a problem getting up at that hour, but then I asked her son Charlie, who is 6'4", 250 pounds, to please come by my house and go up to the bedroom, pick the boy up, and kick him in the face. You're right. She calls me
chairwoman.